So I've just this minute finished doing a water change, and it's a perfect time to see the baby white clouds. They're around about everywhere. You can kind of see their size. I took a lot of the floating weed out so that I could actually see how many I have. And I put extra plants in the back. I seem to have babies of different sizes. They seem to be doing well. No, the parents haven't eaten any. When I feed the fish, they dart for their food, but if it's a baby and it moves, they actually just dart away. So I think at the moment I must have about 50. There's a lot more over here, mostly the very small ones. So now I've got to get them to grow bigger. But they are fascinating little things. It's like having lots of water fleas. And it's really cool seeing them swim with the bigger fish. I'm hoping now I've brought some of the plants down, they might spend more time swimming.